chicken, yeah? A chicken lays eggs.
Yes. No eggs!
No eggs? Oh.
Go eat the cow. Eat cow.
Oh, the cow isn't real.
What's wrong, Arthur?
Arthur plays with the animals, but he said they're not real.
Not real? I got an idea! Shall we go to the real animal farm?
Enjoy!
Wow.
Arthur, look! Arthur, look! The piggy is sleeping! Shh. Arthur, do you like it?
Yes.
Arthur! Bah! Ooh, hello! One sheep, two sheep, and three! Oh, wow! Hello! Ah! Is it tasty? It's tasty! Bye, girls!
Wow!
So cute!
Hello.
Hello, horsey. Wow, Arthur, so many chicken. How many do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa, 9 and 10. Hello. Arthur, look. No, 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 no. Don't touch. Hello. That's a rooster. Cuckoo. Hello. Look, Arthur, we got eggs. Wow. 1 egg. Good job. Oh, so many eggs. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yay! High five! Yay!
Oh, really? That sounds fun, yeah. Guys, I have an idea! Hang on, Avelina, I'm on the phone.
I want to organize a concert!
I'll call you back.
Concert?
Concert? Can I join you?
Oh, sure, why not?
Nice! What do you want me to do?
Maybe something funny?
Funny? Do you think I'm a clown or something? Nobody will like that stuff.
Oh, I can think of something else for you.
That's not needed. You can do your dumb concert without me. That went well.
Not? Whatever, her problem. Akim, can you help me sell tickets? Sure.
Wanting me to be a clown. Pfft, I'm so much cooler. You know what? I'll make her look like a clown.
Uh-oh.
Concert?
Yeah, you should go.
Oh! Cool! Gotta go! Bye! Look! I'm going to a concert!
Yeah! You should go. It will be very funny.
Hello, everyone. Thanks for coming to my concert.
Thanks for coming indeed. This will be so much fun.
First, I will walk across this road.
And now we cut the rope.
Oh, hey, Amelia. Glad that you came.
Uh-oh.
And now I will walk on a giant ball.
Oh, this is my favorite!
This will be fun.
And now I will pop the ball.
What? Pop the ball? Oh no.
Oh no!
3, 2, 1.
No, 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 no!
Are you okay?
Yeah. All okay.
Yay! Good job! Woo! Yay! Good job!
Go, Avelina! See? You were quite funny. Thanks for helping.
You're welcome. Hey, my hiccup is gone too. Nice.
Bye!
Bye!
I want to be invisible! Why doesn't this work?
I'm hungry! I want to go home!
I have a plan. Come.
You are not welcome here!
Aw, how sad. And we wanted to give you something.
Huh? What?
We see you have trouble with your magic stick, and we have a hat.
A hat? So what?
But it isn't just a regular hat. This hat makes you invisible.
Yeah.
I don't believe you.
She doesn't believe us.
Well, let's go then. Just use your broken magic stick.
Okay, give me that hat.
No, we don't give it just like that.
No.
Okay, what do you want?
We want to stay in your garden and then you bring us something tasty.
Something tasty? Okay. Okay, now give me that hat.
Deal.
Avelina. Where's Avelina? Dad, did you see Avelina?
Yeah. No. Where's Avelina?
You guys don't see me.
No, not at all.
Where are you?
Yay! I'm gonna break Amelia and Akim.
Thanks.
His dirty socks.
Why is this telephone flying? Ooh.
Avelina, are you okay?
Yeah, what's wrong with you?
How do you know it's me?
Because you're standing here?
But I have an invisible hat on.
Invisible hat?
Husband, may have a thief. He tricked me.
Let's teach them a lesson.
Nice.
Cool.
What?
Dad, Avelina is so lucky to have our hat.
Yeah, and I think we should ask for more candy.
Yeah.
Hey!
That's my lollipop. Well. How did you catch Avelina when she had an invisible hat? Your hat is not magical.
Why did you take the lollipop back?
Yeah, sorry.
Go away.
And don't forget your hat, guys.